Hi everybody, Randy Zemnick with Motorcycle Power Sports News, and folks, we got a real treat for you. We are here in beautiful downtown Anaheim, California for the 2026 AIMExpo. We got the top OEMs in the industry displaying their latest product demos, education sessions, networking, and so much more. We've got a very special episode of On the Throttle. We're going to show you all of this and everything that we can, pretty much like you're here. So let's come take a look at the show floor.
On the Throttle is sponsored by Bridgestone Motorcycle Tires. Solutions for your journey.
We'll start off with Turn 14, which came out to play this year with new product reveals from all its own brands. First, QuadBoss and DragonFire, this year showing off a new line of shocks and other products at AIMExpo. Brand manager Justin Lassiter joins us with the latest.
Well, so DragonFire, we have just launched a brand new line of our performance shocks. These shocks are a monotube design, meaning they've got a free-floating piston instead of your normal OE like twin tube. The free-floating piston keeps the gas and the oil separated, which helps with the dampening and prevents cavitation. We're coming in at a full adjustability over the 5 or 6 levels that you get on OE at a great price. We're not really in the market to compete with the big dogs like Bilstein and Fox. We're here for the weekend warrior that either wrecks their vehicle or they blow their shock out. We're offering a very affordable shock that is better than OE. So we move on over here. We're also introduced to, we've got a 6-switch panel here that allows you to hook up 6 different accessories, lighting, all in this hub. And you bring one wire through the firewall. So it's a nice clean look that takes up less room than 6 of these Carling style switches. We've got our new Largo whip, which is 2 foot by 2 inch. It's got 250 different dance patterns, nothing brand new to the industry, but we're now offering it. So on the QuadBoss side, we don't really have anything new this year, but I do want to remind everyone that we still have all of our great quality replacement parts. And one other thing about QuadBoss lights that not everybody knows is you buy the light, the harness, the switch, all come in one box. One part number, you get the whole kit and caboodle.
Now let's check in with Turn 14's BikeMaster, as the brand shows off a toolbox that makes fixing your ride much easier, and an innovative ramp system to make loading a bike easier and safer.
It's Justin again. I'm filling in for Paul O'Brien, the brand manager for BikeMaster. It's gonna show you some new products. We've got this toolbox here that we're offering that's got 129 tools. It comes with it with pre-cut foam. Everything all in the box together. Most all normal tools you would need to work on your motorcycle. Next thing new is we've got this new loading ramp. That one side is steps and the other side is for your bike. You walk up the steps, easily push your bike up without worrying about slipping through the rungs.
And over at Speed and Strength, the riding gear brand shows off a new line of jackets designed to make your next ride all the more comfortable. Jennifer Sherrard, regional sales manager from Own Brands, gives us a first look.
We have new for 2026, the Speed and Strength riding mesh, fully mesh riding shirts. So this is the male black 9. This is fully mesh. So you'll see it's kind of have that flannel pattern, but it's fully mesh. Unbuttons, unzips, has a nice comfortable liner, very breathable. These are for those hot days. Dry pocket, so this goes pretty deep in here, so you can put phones, anything important. Level 2 CE armor on the shoulders, the elbows, and then we include the back protector as well.
Oh, nice.
Reflective piping here. We also make the women's version. So this is our women's version, but we've named this one Cross My Heart. All the same features. These pockets are real pockets, are not just for decoration. And then also we have the pockets on the hips here. And they also, both jackets feature the belt loop, so you can run your belt through here, anchor it to your pants so that it doesn't move.
And these guys are on the market right now?
These are new for 2026. They are not on the market yet. This has been very popular with the women here so far. This is the double take canvas riding jacket. It is reinforced with aramid fiber here on the shoulders. It has the level 2 CE armor in the shoulder here, the elbows, and also the back protector. We include that in there as well. The reflective piping here and also here. And then the interior is also a very comfortable mesh. It has the dry pocket. You can fit a lot in there. And then this is a really unique feature here. We kind of disguise this zipper here. This is very stretchy because, you know, not everybody is just one size fits all. So we include that just to give some extra help here. And then it just zips down if you need to.
And in the electric dirt bike segment, Throne Cycles displays its latest in the line of Strike branded bikes, designed for practicality, power, and speed.
So this is Juan from Throne Cycles. I'm one of the sales guys here. I want to show you our new Strike Cycles lineup, and this is going to be the 72 volt. This is going to be the new bike that we're going to bring in for the summertime. What's going to change is that we're going to have a cool little skid plate here. We have our Fast A suspension on the front forks, and it's also going to come in the rear. And then we have a full, similar to a banana saddle with ridges, so it's easier and you have more grip while you're sitting and riding. And then our plastics here are gonna be all flush, all one tone. We're gonna have glossy black here. So 72 volt, 7,000 watts, 25 amps, 17 in the front, 14 in the rear. It's a 420 chain. Battery, let's go by hours first. Hours, you'll get about a 2.5 to 3 hour range time. Miles, if you're just gunning it on the top mode, you get about a 35 to 40 mile range. So the battery, it's a good battery. It's a 72 volt, 25 amps. Top speed, you'll hit 50 miles per hour. So please, wear your gear, be safe, but also, main point, have fun. This is the bike of the year. So I'm excited for you guys to see it. It'll be ready in about a month time. So make sure you guys keep your eyes out for it.
That'll do it for our first look from AIMExpo 2026. But don't worry, we'll have plenty more to show you coming up in our next episode. But until then, that's a wrap on this special edition of On the Throttle. For the full stories, interviews, specs, and much more, be sure to head over to motorcyclepowersportsnews.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to find out when the next episode drops. Thanks for watching.